Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So from today onward we are supposed to proceed according to class wise, subject wise and book wise. We are supposed to now concentrate on the book. So this video is for class 10 subject maths chapter 2. Why we are taking chapter 2? Why we are not starting with chapter 1? The reason is behind that the chapter 1 is regarding that the name of the chapter is a different one. The name of the chapter is real numbers, and in that chapter real numbers, the maximum content is of Euclid's algorithm. And as you have heard the news that the CBSE is supposed to revise the syllabus, and yesterday they announced that they are supposed to cut off 30% of the syllabus. So we are assuming that they will cut off the first chapter. That we are assuming only. So that's why we are not starting with chapter number 1. We are starting with chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is polynomial. As the name suggests, I told you many times, polynomial. We will start with the basics because now we are starting the book, and we will proceed the exercises as well. So you are supposed to make clear in your mind that you should learn each and everything what we are telling you through the online video. So first of all, we will start with the polynomial. Polynomial is one word which is made up of two terms, that is poly and males. Poly means many, males means terms. An algebraic expression containing many terms, जिसमें बहुत सारे terms हो सकते हैं. बहुत सारी मीन्स 1 भी हो सकती है, 2 भी हो सकती है, 3 भी हो सकती है, 4 भी हो सकती है. Means an algebraic expression containing many terms is called polynomials. Now with different variables. So if I say that one polynomial fx, we represent using the fx or fy or fz, anything x y z. I am taking x y z. You can take abc as well, or any of the alphabets or any of the symbol. Suppose fx means x square plus 2. We can take any how many terms we want to take. We can take those terms. Here y minus 1, z2 plus z square, 2z square plus 3z minus 11. So these are the examples. First one is the polynomial with variable x. Second one is the polynomial with variable y. Third one is the polynomial with variable z. Now one more thing is there, the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial. Degree means highest power of the variable. अब वेरिएबल यहाँ पे क्या है? x की पावर कितनी है? 2. So 2 is the degree of this polynomial. First one. Second one, वेरिएबल क्या है? y. डिग्री कितनी है? कुछ नहीं है. जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है मीन्स वहाँ पे 1 है. मीन्स डिग्री 1. Now what is the degree of this polynomial? 1. Now we will consider the third one. That is the polynomial in variable z. So here the degree of the polynomial we have to find. So first of all, we are supposed to observe the powers of the variable. Variable is z. Powers of z. Here the power is 1. Here the power is 2. Here the power is 3. So degree is the highest power of the variable. यहाँ पे तो एक ही था, एक ही वेरिएबल है, उसकी डिग्री, उसकी जो पावर है वही डिग्री हो जाएगी. यहाँ पे भी एक ही वेरिएबल है, उसकी जो पावर है वो हमारी डिग्री हो जाएगी. यहाँ पे हमारा वेरिएबल z ही है, बट टर्म्स बहुत सारी हैं. तो टर्म्स बहुत सारी हैं. यहाँ पे हमारी पावर है 1, यहाँ पे पावर है 2, यहाँ पे पावर है 3. तो हाईएस्ट पावर कितनी है? 3. सो 3 विल बी द डिग्री ऑफ दिस polynomial. Now this is regarding how to find the degree of the polynomial. Now we are supposed to discuss the other aspects of the polynomials equals to 5 upon 2. Now whether it is a polynomial or not, some of you will think that this is a function of x and here there is no x, so this is not a polynomial. No, this is also a polynomial. We can insert the x here with power 0, and you know, if the power is 0 of anything, suppose x की power 0 or 1 की power 0 और 100 की power 0, किसी की भी पावर अगर 0 हो जाती है, means the value will be 1 in each case. So if nothing is there, variable is not there, only the constant term is there, constant means the numbers are there, then we can show like that as well. Variable, same variable, इसका हमें function given है f of x, तो हमने यहाँ पे x लगा दिया, x की डिग्री हमने 0 कर दी, x की डिग्री 0 मीन्स उसकी पावर 0 कर दी है, मीन्स यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू होगी 1 into 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2. So this is known as constant polynomial. कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल क्या होता है, यहाँ पे हमारी डिग्री 0, f of x इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 2. अब x प्लस 2 हो गया, मीन्स यहाँ पे हमारी डिग्री कितनी है, हमारी 1, तो ये हमारे क्या हो गया, हमारा लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. और अगर हमारी डिग्री 2 हो जाएगी तो हमारी हो जाएगी क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, और अगर हमारी डिग्री 3 हो जाएगी मीन्स क्यूबिक, और 4 हो जाएगी तो बाई क्वाड्रेटिक. डिग्री 0 है तो कांस्टेंट, डिग्री 1 है लीनियर, डिग्री 2 है क्वाड्रेटिक, डिग्री 3 है क्यूबिक, डिग्री 4 है मीन्स बाई क्वाड्रेटिक. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज ऑल्सो देयर, इफ देयर इज ओनली one term, ये term, this is known as the term. One term is there in the polynomial, then it is known as monomial. Mono means one, males means term. One term है तो monomial. If we are having 2 terms, then binomials. If we are having 3 terms, then we can say trinomials. If we are having more than 3 terms, then commonly we call that polynomial. So this is a general introduction regarding the polynomials. One more thing is there in the chapter. We are supposed to draw the graph as well. ग्राफ भी हमें ड्रॉ करना. अब ग्राफ में हमें टुडे आई विल गिव यू द जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस रिगार्डिंग द ग्राफ. आफ्टरवर्ड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्सरसाइजेस विच क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, वी आर सपोज टू प्रोसीड अप टू दैट ओनली. सो इफ द ग्राफ आर लाइक दैट, in the graph we are having the x-axis, we are having the y-axis as well. This is the x dash y. Whenever you are drawing the graph, you are supposed to show the axis. Axis, you can think in your mind that is understood that this is x-axis, this is the y-axis. No, you are supposed to mention the name, which is the x-axis and which is the y-axis, because in the examination time, if you are taking a graph and you can attach that like this way also and this way also, so the x-axis and y-axis can be confusing in that case. So you are supposed to mention which one is the x-axis and which one is the y-axis. So if the graph is, one graph is like that, and one graph is like that, and the third graph is like that. So what is the difference in these 3 graphs? This is the graph of linear polynomial. Linear means it is a straight line and it will cut the x-axis at a single point. x-axis को सिंगल पॉइंट पर कट कर रहा है और एक हमारी स्ट्रेट लाइन है, दैट विल रिप्रेजेंट अ लीनियर पॉलीनोमियल. नाउ हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल okay, we can take this. So this is not a straight line, means it is not a linear polynomial. And what is the shape, what is the name of that shape? That is parabola. This is called as parabola, or the shape is known as parabolic shape. If the shape is like that, like this, or this can be like this as well. ऐसा भी हो सकता है ऊपर के टाइप पे, और ऐसा भी हो सकता है. If this is like that and cutting the x-axis at two distinct points, अगर x-axis को two distinct points पे cut कर रहा है, means one is there and one is here, then we can say that this is the graph of the quadratic polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial, means the degree is 2. Now third one is here. This is like a curve. This is a curve, and we have to count at how many places this is cutting the x-axis. This is cutting the x-axis at 3 points. So this graph represents the cubic polynomial. This is quadratic. Means we are supposed to keep in our mind the degree of the different polynomial. The degree of linear polynomial is 1. So it will cut the x-axis at a 1 place. The degree of quadratic polynomial is 2. So that will cut the x-axis at 2 distinct points. And the degree of cubic polynomial is 3. So that will cut the x-axis at 3 different points. Means 1, 2 and 3. So I hope that you will understand the topic and you will revise it again and again. If any kind of doubts are there, then you can replay the videos again and again until or unless the doubts have been cleared. And still, if any kind of doubts persist in your mind, then you are supposed to message us or you can call us. We are supposed to rectify your doubts on the phone call, as well as if it is required to upload any other videos to rectify your problems, then we will upload the other videos as well. At the same time, now if you have purchased the books, that's very good, and if you have not purchased the books yet, then you are supposed to purchase within a day or two, because tomorrow we are supposed to start the exercise 2.1 according to the book. If you are having the book, then you can understand easily which question we are solving here and what is the homework. From tomorrow onward, you are supposed to complete your homework on a daily basis, and after completing the homework, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. At the same time, if any of your friends, neighbor or colleague who is a student of our school have not subscribed the school channel yet, then you are supposed to convey a message to them, and that now the online classes have been started, class wise, subject wise, and now you are supposed to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing the channel, you are supposed to press the bell icon for the latest notification of the videos uploaded by the school on the school's YouTube channel. Thank you very much.